Check out the storm coming in. It's pretty cool. Got some good colors going on there. The sunset over here. I guess if I'm a... Oh, there's a storm over there too. Wow. I guess I should move slower. I gotta get better at video in here. That way when I post on YouTube for Mr. Demanding Matt that says I have to post once a week from now on. I gotta get better at this so I can make some good quality videos. This is pretty sweet. The colors are freaking awesome, man. Catch that lightning, and then I gotta start heading to the vehicle because we got the baby. Alright, that thing's coming in pretty quick. I probably ought to get heading. Somebody came to visit.